How to clear all liked videos on YouTube at once. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Have you liked numerous videos on YouTube and now want to clear them all at once? If yes, then you are watching the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open YouTube on your device. Tap on the U tab available at the bottom. Under the playlist section, you will see a private playlist titled Liked Videos. Tap on it. As you can see, I have liked only one video on this account. However, the count may be huge for you. Let's clear them all. Tap on the back arrow at the top. Before proceeding further, please make sure you are on the correct account. If not, tap on the switch account button to switch between accounts. Once you are in the correct account, tap on the settings icon at the top. Under the account section, you will see the option for manage all history. Tap on it, then you will be directed to the YouTube history web page. Tap on interaction. Under the video interactions section, tap on video likes and dislikes. From here, you will be able to see all your liked and disliked video history. If you are not able to view any history, then either you may not have liked any videos, or Google might be asking you to verify your identity using a passkey or your account password. Make sure to complete the verification first and you will be able to see your full history. To clear all these interactions at once, tap on the three vertical dots at the top, then tap on the delete all option. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are sure. Finally, tap on the delete option, and there you have it. You have successfully cleared all liked videos on YouTube. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.